Welcome to the GCSE November 24 paper 2H question 19 work through. You should have had a go at it from the paper. You're now looking to see how it works and figure out where you've dropped your marks, how to do it. And then there's a similar question afterwards to do so you can practice the skills, make sure you've listened and work on and develop your skills. Right, so it is a problem to do with a sphere, not a sphere, a cone. Right, we are told, we know a cone's surface area is the area of the circle plus the curved surface area. And we're told that equals 54 pi. Right, just to start this now, I'm just going to get rid of the pi's because I know that if I work with pi, it cancels, I can just go through with it. So I've just got rid of that, so I'm just going to have that there. We are also told that r is 3/4 of the height. Because it's a cone, we know that h and we know r, we need to work out L to work out the curved surface area. So, and L is from Pythagoras, so L squared, and that is 3/4 of the h equals h squared plus 3/4 h squared, which will give me h squared plus 9/16 h squared, which gives me 25/16 h squared. Okay. So L will equal 5/4h because it's the square root. So if we now go back into our original r's using our values for h's, so we have r squared, which is 3/4 that plus 3/4 h times by 5/4h. We know that equals 54. So that gives me 9/16 h squared plus 15/16 h squared equals 54. So 25/16 h squared equals 54. Sorry, 24, which is the same as 3/2 h squared equals 54. So h squared equals 54 times by 2 divided by 3. So h squared equals 36. So h equals square root of 36, which is 6 centimetres. Remember, if I've gone a bit too fast through that, you can pause it and go slower. However, I think that's quite straightforward for someone going for a 9, wanting the skills. If you're a grade 6 student, I'd have gone through that slightly slower. Okay, so we've got h. Now, won't have the formula on the next slide, so remember it, pi r L. Have a go. So what did I say first? The first thing I did, because of the pi's, was to say pi r squared plus pi r L equals 90 pi, because that's what the question is, and cancel the pi's. Right, we are told, what are we told that r equals? So we need to work out our L using our R and our H. So L squared equals 5/12 H squared plus H squared, which equals 25/144 H squared plus H squared. Which gives me 169/144 h squared. So L must equal 13/12 h. So I've now got that. I can now put that back into what? Correct. the formula. So I have r squared in h's Those of you that are thinking ahead and reading numbers well, you'll know what was going to happen. So what do h equal? 12. Brilliant. Now, well done. Go and have a look at the questions. Go and do your bit. Remember to click subscribe. Remember, the questions are on the website.